Conundrum. A debilitating mental state common to Jeepers faced with axle upgrade decisions. With so many choices and options, even within axle brands, the decision can be daunting. But you've done your research and you've settled on a JL Tera CRD60 heavy-duty rear axle. You like the fact that all Tera 60s come with the substantially stronger Spicer Super 60 gear sets and ARB lockers. And you really like the fact that the wheel speed sensors are completely protected from all that yuck you're going to be subjecting them to. Then there's the Delta Brake stopping power of our 14-inch rotors and 4-piston calipers included with the JL CRD60, contrasting those against the high UV resistant powder-coated housing. No rattle can cutting corners here. Definitely a great decision. But there is one more conundrum that TeraFlex has just solved. You want the strength of a full float axle, but just can't get past the additional cash hit of replacing your beloved wheels due to the mandatory bolt pattern change to 8 lugs on a full float axle. Semi-float axles are not only required to carry the weight of the vehicle, but they also have to withstand the twisting torsion to spin that 40-inch tire. That's asking a lot. But not when your Jeep is sporting the new TeraFlex JL CRD60 heavy-duty 40-spline 4140 heat-treated and hardened chrome moly shafts. Yes, I just said 40-spline shafts are included in every new JL TeraFlex CRD60. Why? Well, because our 40-spline shafts are 50% stronger in both bending and torsion compared to any 35-spline shaft. Gone are the days of the rear brake squeak caused by bent shafts. Gone is the worry when you throttle it up to bump it over that climb. Your new TeraFlex CRD60 heavy-duty rear axle assembly with 40 spline, say it with me, 40 spline axle shafts will get you there and back. And you didn't even need to buy new wheels. The axle's factory JL 5-on-5 bolt pattern just saved you some money. But as a bonus, the flange is also drilled out to accept a 5-on-5.5 wheel. Hey, you never know. The solution is in. Keep your wheels and keep the strength that until now only belonged to a full float 60. TeraFlex, improving on awesome every day.